In today's industrial landscape, knowledge management is a fundamental pillar. In previous videos, we've made significant progress in capturing, structuring, and connecting vital information for our operations. However, the real challenge lies in transforming this passive knowledge into active operational intelligence. The next evolutionary step is to turn your organization's know-how into a proactive force. Imagine an AI assistant that not only stores data, but uses it to offer reminders and precise guidance at just the right time. This is the promise of intelligent agents. These AI systems are designed to go beyond simply retrieving information. They are capable of anticipating needs and acting preemptively, thus optimizing every process. For example, an intelligent agent could proactively alert an operator to a potential equipment problem before it occurs. This ability to anticipate and act is what distinguishes intelligent agents. They represent an evolution in the application of artificial intelligence in industrial environments. Their goal is to enhance operational efficiency and resilience. The integration of these agents allows accumulated knowledge to be transformed into a dynamic tool. This ensures that your team's collective experience is always available and effectively applied. Intelligent agents are the solution to take your knowledge management to the next level. An intelligent agent is a specialized form of artificial intelligence. Its design focuses on three main missions: observing, learning, and acting, or suggesting. Each agent is meticulously tailored to specific tasks within a company's processes and assets. These agents do not operate in isolation. They actively collaborate with other agents and human operators. Their specialization allows them to focus on specific areas, such as predictive maintenance or technical training. This focus ensures high efficiency in their duties. A key feature is their contextual awareness. They utilize a wide range of data, including historical information, predefined rules, and real-time IoT variables. This capability allows them to understand the operating environment and make informed decisions. In addition, they possess advanced interaction capabilities. They communicate seamlessly with technicians and other agents, facilitating a collaborative workflow. This interaction is essential for solving complex problems and optimizing processes. Intelligent agents demonstrate a remarkable capacity for continuous learning. They improve and refine their skills with each new case they record and process. This constant evolution ensures that their performance progressively improves over time. Their modular design and specialization capabilities make them extremely versatile tools. They can be implemented to address specific challenges, providing tangible value from the outset. Adaptability is one of their greatest strengths. Within the industrial ecosystem, various types of intelligent agents can fulfill different functions. Each is designed to optimize a particular aspect of operations. Their specialization allows for precise and effective intervention. The predictive maintenance agent is critical to equipment reliability. It monitors sensors in real time, identifying patterns that precede failures. It issues preemptive alerts with clear explanations, enabling interventions before disruptions occur. This agent analyzes vibrations, temperatures, and other critical parameters. Its goal is to detect subtle anomalies that could indicate an impending problem. By anticipating failures, it minimizes downtime and repair costs. The root cause analysis agent focuses on resolving recurring problems. It crosses sensor data, historical records, and technical data sheets to identify the underlying causes of failures. Its in-depth analysis allows for suggesting preventive and structural changes. This agent does a great job of continuously improving processes. By identifying the root cause of problems, they prevent recurrence, optimizing operational efficiency. Their analytical skills are key to system resilience. The technical training agent revolutionizes staff development. It provides customized training paths for new technicians and for updating existing ones. It utilizes a variety of resources, including worksheets, videos, and practical exercises. Evaluate the technician's performance and adapt the training content to their needs. This ensures an efficient learning curve and rapid skill acquisition. Training becomes dynamic and highly effective. The document agent, or conversational AI, acts as an always-available technical expert. It answers complex questions by searching for information in technical sheets, manuals, historical data, and videos. Its access is 24/7, ensuring constant support. This agent democratizes access to the company's technical knowledge. It reduces the time spent searching for information and ensures that decisions are based on accurate data. It is a living conversational library at everyone's service. Finally, the operational optimization agent focuses on overall efficiency. It analyzes performance data by shift, line, or plant to detect inefficiencies, deviations, or bottlenecks. Its function is to identify areas for improvement. It suggests corrective actions based on the analysis of real-time and historical data. This agent is crucial for maximizing productivity and reducing operating costs. Its holistic view enables continuous production optimization. Each of these agents, with their expertise, contributes to an intelligent ecosystem. Together, they enhance the organization's ability to operate more efficiently, safely, and profitably. The synergy between them is the key to their power. Intelligent agents are not isolated entities. They form a collaborative system. They actively communicate with each other and with human operators. This synergistic approach has a common goal, ensuring that all operations run optimally. The interaction between agents and people creates an ecosystem of continuous improvement. Each component contributes its expertise, but all share information and knowledge. This is essential for solving complex problems and for innovation. Let's discuss an example of a collaborative workflow to illustrate this digital workflow. First, a predictive agent detects a potential risk in a pump, such as an abnormal vibration. It immediately generates an alert and shares it with the system. The predictive agent then requests the document agent's standard procedure for addressing that specific anomaly. The document agent searches its knowledge base and provides the relevant datasheet or manual. At the same time, the predictive agent or the general system, upon identifying the need for human intervention, activates the training agent. This agent guides the assigned technician through the procedure, offering step-by-step instructions and additional resources. The technician, assisted by the training agent, proceeds with the corrective action. During and after the intervention, the technician records the results and any relevant observations in the system. This feedback is crucial for continuous learning. Finally, an analytical agent evaluates the effectiveness or efficiency of the intervention and its impact on pump performance. If the solution was successful and replicable, the analytical agent may suggest standardizing that practice. This ensures that the knowledge gained is integrated into future procedures. This short cycle demonstrates how agents work together, complementing human skills. Constant communication and data sharing are the foundation of this collaboration. The result is a smarter, more efficient operation. Trust and explainability are pillars of this interaction. Agents provide reasons for their suggestions, allowing humans to understand and validate their actions. This transparency fosters much more effective and productive collaboration. The ability to learn dynamically is one of the most powerful features of intelligent agents. They are not static systems. They evolve and improve with each problem solved, each process adjusted, and each improvement implemented. They learn directly from the experience of the company's own employees. The learning sources for these agents are diverse and rich in practical information. One of the main ones is the addition of new technical documentation. This includes updated procedures, practical tips, and logs of typical errors. Every time an expert documents a new solution or a more efficient method, the agent assimilates it. This ensures that the most recent and relevant knowledge is always available for future recommendations. The knowledge base is continually expanding. Fault logs are another crucial source of learning. Agents analyze symptoms, frequency of failures, and solutions applied. This allows them to identify patterns and correlations that improve their diagnostic capabilities. They understand which solutions were effective for certain types of problems. This information is used to refine their recommendation and prediction algorithms. The experience accumulated in problem solving is converted into operational intelligence. Hands-on training also contributes significantly to agent learning. By observing the most effective routes technicians use to complete tasks, agents can optimize their own guidance. They learn from human efficiency and skill. Human feedback is essential. Workers can indicate whether an agent's suggestions were helpful or not. This direct feedback allows agents to fine-tune their models and improve the accuracy of their recommendations. For example, Imagine a scenario where a piece of equipment experiences 4 similar breakdowns in a single period. The system, through its learning agent, detects that in all of these instances, the most effective solution was a previously undocumented action. The intelligent agent, recognizing this recurring and successful pattern, incorporates this undocumented solution. It adds it as a future recommendation to the affected equipment's technical specifications. Thus, tacit knowledge becomes explicit and operational knowledge. This continuous learning process ensures that agents remain efficient and accurate. They adapt to the specifics of their operating environment and evolving best practices. They are an intelligent reflection of the collective experience of their workforce. Implementing intelligent agents in your industrial operations offers a series of tangible and transformative benefits. These systems not only optimize processes, but also empower your staff and ensure knowledge sustainability. One of the main benefits is actively and operationally preserving knowledge, transforming know-how into a living, accessible, and up-to-date digital asset. This reduces dependence on key personnel, ensures operational continuity, and strengthens the company's collective memory. Another key benefit is reducing diagnosis and resolution times. Intelligent agents deliver accurate information and timely suggestions, allowing technicians to resolve issues more quickly. They also accelerate training with personalized learning paths based on real-life scenarios, making it easier for new and existing technicians to acquire and update their skills. Continuous improvement becomes an inherent part of the operation. Agents learn from each interaction and optimize procedures and best practices based on real-world experience. Human-machine collaboration is strengthened by trust and explainability. They not only provide answers, but also explain their suggestions, allowing operators to understand and validate the recommendations. This increases the autonomy of operational teams. With access to real-time information and intelligent assistance, technicians make informed decisions and solve problems independently, freeing up managers for strategic tasks. The organization gains in proactivity, efficiency, and responsiveness. Intelligent agents thus become a strategic investment that boosts efficiency, resilience, and innovation, transforming knowledge into a sustainable competitive advantage. We've explored the vast potential of intelligent agents in the industrial environment. From process optimization to the digitalization of knowledge, their impact is profound and multifaceted. The good news is that you don't need massive implementation to start seeing results. We encourage you to start small. Even a single, well-trained agent focused on a specific problem can have a significant impact on your operations. The key is to identify a high-value area where AI can make an immediate difference. Imagine having a virtual assistant that learns from your people, your processes, and your assets. An assistant that not only stores information, but also activates it to help everyone from the very first minute. This vision is now an achievable reality. Intelligent agents are more than just a tool. They're a strategic partner in your business's evolution. They allow you to transform tacit knowledge into operational intelligence, driving efficiency and innovation. It's time to take the next step. In our next video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process for implementing your first intelligent agent pilot project. You'll learn how to select the right agent, how to train it, and how to measure its impact. Get ready to discover how this technology can change the way you work, learn, and make decisions. The digital transformation of your industry is within your reach.